Aging is natural, but looking old is optional. If you're 30 and above, it's time for you to level up your skincare game, or the wrinkles will level you. Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to Jenifa, your beauty bestie and your short beauty vlog. In today's video, I'm spilling out all the tea on how to build a perfect, effective anti-aging skincare routine. For 30 plus, 30 plus, 40 plus, 50 plus, without breaking the bank. If you're noticing fine lines on your face, dull skin, or you're already experiencing sagging skin, stay tuned. Do well to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be giving out full package on what to use to reduce the fine lines on your face and avoid looking older than your age. If this is something that you enjoy watching, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and give this video a thumbs up, okay? Now let's go straight into the video proper. I'm sure a lot of you will be wondering, why do you need a different routine once you're up to 30, 40 and 50 and above? Why do you need a different routine? Why do you need a specific routine for your anti-aging benefits? Why do you need it? Now, the reason why you need a different routine, an anti-aging routine, is because from 30 and above, your skin barrier becomes more sensitive. Because if you use let's say any product that can trigger your skin barrier or even make it weaker, is going to affect you. You're going to start reacting to that product. That is why you need a gentle, effective anti-aging, the perfect skincare routine as you grow older, okay? To keep the fine lines, the wrinkles, and the sagging skin away. Now, the first thing on my list when building an anti-aging skincare routine is to use gentle cleansers. We cannot emphasize or overemphasize using gentle cleansers. No, we cannot overemphasize it enough. Now, what you should do is to use hydrating cleansers. Don't use cleansers that will strip your skin. Don't use cleansers that will make your skin feel very tight after use. Don't use any other cleanser. Use gentle cleansers. Or you can go ahead and use cream-based cleansers, okay? Now, using other based cleansers doesn't mean that it will not work. But because you're trying to, build an anti-aging skincare, you should still towards using cream cleansers, okay? Example of this kind of cleansers that you can use is the CeraVe cleansers. They are known to be gentle but effective. Use simple micellar face wash, okay? It's going to really be helpful when building an anti-aging skincare routine. Now, the next thing you should note when you're trying to build your anti-aging skincare routine is to use hydrating toners and hydrating essences. Okay, I know you must have heard that toners and essences are not mandatory. Yes, it's not a must, it's optional. But because you already know what you're trying to do, you already know what you're aiming at, you should tilt towards using hydrating essences and hydrating toners. Okay, toners are only there to prepare your face for your subsequent skincare products. So if I were you, even though it's optional, I would pick up a hydrating toner or a hydrating essence. Okay, this is because they provide moisture to your face. And that is exactly what you need when you're building your anti-aging skincare routine. An example, products I can recommend for you is to use the tCrack snail mucin cream. They have the essence and they have the cream, right? Yes. Use the one that contains the 96% snail mucin. That one is really good because it provides maximum hydration to your face, okay? Now, you can also use their essence, the tCrack essence snail mucin. What does snail mucin do to your face? The snail mucin actually provides maximum hydration to your face, okay? It's definitely going to reduce the appearance of fine lines on your face, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and help with your sagging skin because it's going to provide elasticity to your face. Yes, once using hydrating products, it also improves your skin immune system. Okay, so definitely these two products is going to work a great deal when you're building your anti-aging skincare routine. Another good product you can use is the good molecule niacinamide toner. In as much as this product helps to brighten up your skin because it contains niacinamide, we already know that niacinamide is a very versatile product. It works works for almost everything. It's very versatile, it's very effective, and it's gentle. So use the good molecule niacinamide toner, okay, alongside your snail essence. This will help a great deal. The combination of these two products is very powerful, and it will help, okay. You cannot build an anti-aging skincare routine without incorporating serum. Serum should be your holy grail. You have an option of using any kind of serum that helps, okay? That helps with this problem you're trying to solve, okay? Serum actually works deeper into your skin. It goes deep into your skin and works really fast. So I'm sure you'll be asking what kind of serum to use. Now, you can use the vitamin C serum. You can use hyaluronic serum. Hyaluronic acid also helps to, bring and provide moisture to your skin. You can also use retinol serum only at night, okay? You can use peptide serum that contains peptides, okay? Serum that contains ceramide as well. All of these products, all of these ingredients I just mentioned, they're really good in combating fine lines, wrinkles on your face. These are the ingredients that you must incorporate into your anti-aging skincare routine. The next point is to use lots of moisturizers. When I say moisturizers, I mean very good moisturizers. You must use moisturizers both day and night, every day, because you're trying to, combat fine lines and wrinkles on your skin. Moisturizers will help a great deal. Moisturizers provide moisture to your skin. When treating any skin issue, you must use moisturizers because dry skin cannot really, tolerate products. Dry skin, when your skin is dry, you cannot absorb products. That is why you need hydrating products and moisturizers in your skincare routine, okay? So use moisturizers after you must have used your serum. You can use moisturizers during the day and you can use moisturizers at night as well. Now, the fifth ingredient or the fifth product you must use are sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen is a must. It is not optional. It is a must. Use sunscreen every day, every morning. Whether you're going out or sitting at home, use sunscreen every morning to protect your face, to protect your skin, okay? Now, the last but not the least is eye cream. You must use eye cream. Although it's not a must, it's optional, but I'll advise that you get an eye cream. Why? Because once wrinkles start appearing on your face, definitely you see this eye socket right under your eyes. You have wrinkles there. Some people also have black black circle around their eye. That is also a sign of aging. Okay, so eye cream is recommended. I recommend eye cream to you. I advise that you get an eye cream that contains vitamin C, retinoid, ceramide, peptides. Just use an eye cream, okay? It's going to help a great deal. These are products that you must use, ingredients that you must use when trying to fight wrinkles and wrinkles and fine lines from your skin. Because you're growing old does not mean you must look old. Some people even go as far as looking older than their skin. That is not acceptable. That is why I am here. That is why your skincare bestie, your shop plug is here, okay? So go ahead and use all of these products, all of these ingredients I just listed. Use it up to 3 months and come back and tell me what you experience. Tell me what your face looks like now. Tell me what your skin looks like now, okay? So guys, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video, okay? I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay glowing!